we need content understanding. And we need an understanding of enterprise systems. So how can we create that with software? Well, one answer, of course, is AI. So it's that kind of contextual knowledge that a human might have, but in this case, you need to combine that with your raw pattern matching to get really smart.
So it's not just about recognizing patterns, but it's about putting content into context. What is DOCSIS Intelligent Content Automation? Actually, the better question would be why DOCSIS Intelligent Content Automation, or DOCSIS ICA short. We believe in a best-of-breed world, and we just heard John talking about this, and we've been talking about two customers over the last months. And there is a common understanding among most of them that keeping, maintaining, developing homemade software is no longer sustainable, right? So enterprises are really migrating to a best-of-breed world in which they are leveraging the best. So SAP could be your choice for managing your ERP as ERP choice. Salesforce could be your customer relationship management tool, or many others. And that's really the future, right? So if you're not there yet, trust me, you're going to get there.
So again, a requirement that we've seen for next generation systems to be able to help with automation and content management is the concept of a content bridge. So in other words, going across those systems and being able to give a seamless view of what does a customer look like. And if someone talks a customer in SAP, that's reflected of a customer in Salesforce or a customer in ServiceNow, for instance, or a supplier, or a patient if you're in healthcare, or a colleague, an employee. And being able to have that seamless view is very powerful because then you can talk about those things as entities across the whole business. And the other piece you need is to be able to talk the language of these systems, to be able to automate a process using a concept of a customer or a colleague across these systems. There's really three takeaways that you need for next generation automation for content-oriented applications. Content understanding, to be able to actually understand those documents. Content bridging, to bring together those enterprise services, both structured and unstructured data, and content apps that can be brought together into suites to share that contextual wisdom.
The next level of integration that we're bringing here, focused on automation. First, you digitize. Second, you understand. Third, you automate. And that's the new generation of products, if you will, or a new evolution of products that we are going to bring into the market. Remember, digitize, understand, automate. This is DOCSIS Intelligent Content Automation.